Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you exactly how to change your T-Mobile Wi-Fi password step by step. So first of all, you need to make sure that your laptop, phone or tablet is connected to your T-Mobile Wi-Fi network. So once the connection is established successfully, you need to simply open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for this particular address and hit enter. As soon as you do this, you will be landed on the login page where you need to provide your login ID and your password in order to log in into your T-Mobile's dashboard. Now, the T-Mobile dashboard is going to look something like this, where you just have to click on the option of settings here on the top. After selecting the option of settings, you are going to see the option of your current password. If you want to view it, you can just simply click on the I button right next to it in order to basically view your password. In order to change it, simply just look for the option of change password option over here underneath your current password. Then you can start changing your password. Once you are done changing your password, click on the option of save in order to save your changes. So once the password is changed successfully, you can just simply reconnect to the T-Mobile hotspot using the new credentials. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.